Hello, everyone. Welcome to the News Browse News broadcast. Montreal. BCE Inc. reported its first quarter profit decrease compared to the previous year, even as its revenue saw an increase. For the quarter ending March 31, the Telecommunications company recorded a profit attributable to common shareholders of $616 million, or 66 cents per diluted share. This is a decline from the $630 million, or 68 cents per diluted share, reported in the first quarter of 2025. Despite the fall in profit, operating revenue for the latest quarter rose to $6.17 billion, up from $5.93 billion in the same period last year. This revenue growth was driven by an increase in both service and product revenues. Service revenue reached $5.35 billion, an increase from $5.17 billion, while product revenue climbed to 20 editions, 890. But the $748 million on an adjusted basis, BCE's profit stood at 63 cents per share, which is also a decrease from the 69 cents per share earned in the prior year's first quarter. This report is from the Canadian Press. The Canadian Press reports that AtkinsRéalis Group Inc., headquartered in Montreal, has signed an agreement to acquire Coras Solutions Pty Ltd, an Australian company specializing in defense and national security advisory services. While specific financial terms of the deal were not immediately disclosed, the acquisition involves the 70-person consultancy firm, which was established in 2025 by military professionals with extensive backgrounds in defense, national security, and government. AtkinsRéalis stated that this strategic move is designed to enhance its footprint in Australia and bolster its growth in key markets, particularly the defense sector. Ian Edwards, the chief executive of AtkinsRéalis, highlighted that Coras brings valuable, long-standing relationships within the defense community, built upon a foundation of trust, sound judgment, and disciplined execution in a highly specialized environment. The completion of this acquisition is contingent upon fulfilling customary closing conditions and obtaining necessary regulatory approvals. The Canadian Press reports that MDA Space Limited announced a net income of $29.6 million for its first quarter. This comes as the company's revenue saw a significant increase, rising by 32.2% compared to the same period a year earlier, totaling $464.01 million, while the reported net income for the quarter was $29.6 million, or 22 cents per diluted share. This was a decrease from $32.9 million or 26 cents per diluted share. This was a decrease from $32.9 million or 26 cents per diluted share in the prior year. However, on an adjusted basis, MDA's diluted earnings per share improved to 38 cents, up from 30 cents in the first quarter of 2025. The revenue growth was driven by increases across all segments. Satellite systems revenue rose to $313.01 million, robotics and space operations revenue to $91.6 million, and geointelligence revenue to $59.04 million. As of March 31, MDA's impressive backlog stood at $3.69 billion. Red Roof, an award-winning leader in the lodging industry, is expanding its global footprint into the Canadian market with its first property, the Red Roof Plus POS Vancouver Airport, located in Richmond, British Columbia, scheduled to open in July 2026 with pre-sales already underway for the summer's global soccer event. This upscale economy hotel is a conversion of the former Travelodge Hotel by Wyndham Vancouver Airport. Red Roof has partnered with Richmond Airport Enterprises Limited, an experienced local developer and operator, which will manage the 160-room property. The new hotel will feature a 24-hour business center, upgraded fitness facility, hot tub, indoor pool, and complementary amenities like high-speed Wi-Fi and in-room microwaves. Red Roof highlights Canada's robust lodging sector, with Vancouver leading in hotel performance, making it an attractive entry point for the brand. This news comes from newswire.ca. Newswire.ca reports that TELUS and Powerfleet, a global leader in AIoT SaaS solutions, have announced a strategic partnership to introduce the advanced AI-driven Vision 360 vehicle safety technology to the Canadian market. This exclusive collaboration helps commercial drivers gain a comprehensive real-time 360-degree view around their vehicles using artificial intelligence and multiple cameras, actively preventing accidents. The launch is timely, as Transport Canada is implementing a federal mandate requiring all new school buses to have perimeter visibility systems by November 2027. Vision 360 assists school boards and fleet operators in meeting these new safety standards, aiming to better protect children and pedestrians. Jody Baxter, Vice President of AI, Wireless and IoT at TELUS, emphasized that the solution enhances their telematics offering with AI-driven insights, responding directly to fleet owners' needs for safety and efficiency. Powerfleet CEO Steve Towe highlighted the technology's proven ability to reduce collision incidents by up to 60%, potentially leading to insurance cost reductions of up to 25% and an estimated 10-1 return on investment. This partnership combines Powerfleet's AI expertise with TELUS's network infrastructure to deliver a scalable safety solution across Canadian communities. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.